Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Andaman Baby and you are watching Andaman Nicobar's Natural View. So जैसे कि आपको पता है कि दाना साइक्लोन आया हुआ है अंडमान के ऊपर. It's a huge cyclone over Andaman and continuously rain is going on. You can see the hill. You can see that water vapors are rising. But our cats are all still on road in such a rain. They need to play. If it is heavy rain, they will go inside the house. But if it is means as it is not raining that much high, they are outside and playing. This heavy rain is causing a huge problem for the farmers as it is damaging the rice crop. You can see here all the rice crop is not yet ripened and fell down. And here are the cats having some veggies. The birds, swift I think, are flying. Yeah, these are swifts. Let's go home and see what other cats are doing. So I reached to home and now I'll see where are my other cats. I hope mama is with their little babies. Yes, we rescued this cat 3 days earlier. Mama. And where are the other cats? Oh, one is sleeping here. This is Thor. Diamond is also here. And Loki is outside, I think. So this is the way they play and live in Dana Cyclone. Okay friends, if you like the video, just subscribe it and share it to your friends who love cats and cat life. Bye bye.